Hello everyone, today we are playing Flesh Birds. It's a game I found free, free. It's for me as always. I don't know much about this game, but let's just get into it, see how it is. How it be, how it is, how it do. I don't know why I'm saying all of that, but let's see what we are. Okay. A forest? Hmm. Little cabin in the woods. Shovel. What is this? Birds. Wait, what? All these. Mm. Oh my! Swarm. Was it a flock? What do you call these? A flock? Flock of birds? Oh my! I mean, they see red. Supposed to be meat? No, that was. What? The heck? What? Hey, yo, they teared him up. What is this? What did I get myself into? Hey, I thought you were dead. They said it's a hard job, but uh, they had me sold with the good pay. A good paycheck in this field is hard to come by, and I'm lucky that my family has allowed me to travel this far. Of course, the wife wasn't upset, but I'm here. Then say this forest. They say this forest has stood for centuries. I was certain that plans had came together to work this place, but development must have fallen through. I don't know. We started working a little till Monday, so I've been enjoying being out here and enjoying being out here. And I can't even read. I'm sorry, guys. The wild for once gives me a break from the bloody rat race back in the city. Blueberry, what's that? Blueberries seem to grown on. You see, around this place. I have some breakfast today. Bloody lovely. It's a shame we're here to take away. I'll take it all away, but a job's a job, and I need to put food on the table. Everyone ran to that church. I'm staying here. So now I just go out there. Something else to say? No. But I can't fix my sensitivity. Is this way? Can't sprint or run. I think this is no. This is like be like the third, four game I played today. Besides the Left 4 Dead. Oh, what is that? Is that the church? Those blueberries? What's that? The blueberries. Ooh, what was that? What was that? Yeah, yeah. Oh, pop you. You got blood stains. What is that? Oh my, what is this? The people that rented a church didn't make it? Could I knock that over? Oh, I couldn't knock that over. What is that? Get booped. Boop. Ah! God, I'm getting killed by birds, crows. Another shovel. My God. Oh my God. Oh no, 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 no. Pop. I can't. I'm dead. Bird food. Oh my god, we all look the same. All right, here you go. Second one. Second one. All right, we were seeing that. Come out here, yeah. Make it to the church. Make it to the church. Your church over there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Any more? How am I supposed to get out if I keep dying? I keep dying. Can I block? Can I do something else? Ooh. Can I back up and hit them or what? They're coming up here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Okay. There's more coming. Where they at? Where they at? There they are. How? I can't. Can I just run past them? Where you at? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I am so dead. Ah, I turned back. Went the wrong way. He has like little bird shitheads. Oh, here they come. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, my shit broke. Oh, get away, get away. The shovel. Blueberries. 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 All right. I'm here back. Oh, my. Did it. Did it. I'm him. I'm their bird. Oh, I broke it. Another one. I hear them. Ugh. Left. I can go faster like this. Left. Oh, that house. That house. Ooh. Okay, I made it. I made it. I made it. It says, damn it. We're all due to start expediting the site today before we like okay. Damn it, we were all started expedite say before we had held by a bunch of the crazy ass hippies. And now this fair has sharp protest sites that I'm not reading that too much. My words, my brain hurt. Oh, ooh, that scared me. They were waiting. That shovel. I mean that shovel. Not anymore. Okay. There. That was me, right? That has to be my body. Has to be my legs. Good. What's wrong with these birds? Left, right, turn, right, left, right, left, right. Dodge them. Turn around quickly. Get the shovel. Uh, they're ripping out my skin. They're ripping out everything. Go over here. I'm ready. Once again, boop, boop, bopped. There you are. God. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm gonna die. No. Blueberries. Oh my. What? What's going on? What's going on? I keep dying. Do I suck? It's a me problem. Like I guess game issue. Okay. Yeah, there they are. Where they at? Right there. Oh my god, you're gonna make me break it. I knew it. Right. Pastor Rico, right. Brother. What just so? Ow. By one bird? Hit them before they hit me. Hit them before they hit me, and I broke it. Something back here? No. Okay, okay. Now, all right, now we're back. We're back. Okay. My bad for not talking. I was too little in focus trying to kill all the birds. Wrong thing to say, but you little bird heads just they need it. Good old whack to the face. Dang. Y'all moving too quick. Berries. Berries. All right, bet. Okay, we're good. We're golden. We're golden. My God, their bodies everywhere. Oh my God. Okay, what did this say? Oh my. They took my damn arm. Oh, oh shit. Oh shoot. No. Damn. What? Oh my God. They got him. They got my boy. It's been it's been a couple days. I haven't slept. Oh my God. It's been a couple of days. I haven't slept a wink. Cam, caw. God's teeth, give me a break. Let's say caw, yeah. This place creeps me out, man. Birds everywhere, trees everywhere, and yet not single of my coworkers in sight. I hope this is just some laboratory grease from the boys. I really do. Oh, and these hippies keep seeing. I tell you, I don't think they were hippies, man. The birds, they follow them. I seen it. I tried to. I can't. Oh my God, bro, they was on site. They waiting for me. Oh my God. Like again. Can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. And I'm dead. My God, it gets harder and harder. Like the closer I get to the church. Like, get it. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not. But I need heals. But I'm not playing Fortnite. I need my heal. There. Do I have to go through there? Or is it behind? Yeah, it's right there. Behind. Okay. Am I correct? What is that? What the heck is that? Brother. Stop it. Stop it. What? What? What is that? I can't pop him? Oh my God. Ooh. It bursted out of him. What? Oh, flamethrower. Now we cooking. Oh, okay. Disappointing, but okay. What the? That's right. Fire and birds, huh? You don't like it. I don't like getting pecked on. What's in here? All right, we made it to the church. What? They're all dead. They're dead. They killed them all. What is it? What is this? What is that? What? Is that a half bird? Uh, Why are you screaming at me? Oh, I'm dead. I can't even move when I use that. Bro. Oh my god. My game's intense. Oh, I'm dead. But the beat goes hard. Okay. If I hold left and up, I can move fast. Okay. Oh my god, what is that? What just... Oh my god, he's getting closer. He's getting closer. Now the bird, this is cheating. It's be one-on-one. All right. I gotcha. Oh my, is he almost dead? He's dead. That's right. Bird. I got him. That's right. Why did I do that? I don't know. What do I do now? I got him. Got him. That's not it. I burn all of this. No. Do I get out? Ooh. All right, guys, there it is. Flashbirds, good game, short game. By German Food. I think there's a couple of games I want to play from this creator, but I hope you guys like this one. Please let me know how it is. Please